everyone, welcome back to Richa's Kitchen Recipes, and my today's recipe is soyabean momos with chutney. So let's get started. So we need the following ingredients. Here I have taken 100 grams of soyabean. I have soaked this soyabean in warm water for about 30 minutes and I have squeezed it. Then some chopped garlic, 1 medium sized chopped onion, salt, black pepper, oil, maida, 2 cups of maida for kneading a dough, and here for making chutney I have taken 2 medium sized roughly chopped tomatoes, lemon juice, 3 belgi mirchis or Kashmiri red chilies, 7 to 8 cloves of garlic and 1 inch of ginger. So first of all we will make a stuffing. So first of all here we will churn a soyabean in mixer jar. Now let's churn this. First of all heat a pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil in it. Now add chopped onions and chopped garlic. Saute it for a minute. Now add a churned soyabean. Now add salt as per your taste and then some crushed black pepper. Mix it well. And cook for 2 to 3 minutes. So here our stuffing is ready. Switch off the flame and cool down. So meanwhile let's make our dough. For making dough take salt as per your taste. Mix it and make a soft dough. Let this dough rest for 10 minutes. Now let's make our chutney. Now in a pan take half cup of water and then add our belgi mirchis and tomatoes. Let it boil and cook for 10 minutes on high flame. 10 minutes are done and now this is also done. Switch off the flame and let it cool down. This is cooled down. Let's take it out in a mixer grinder jar. Now in this add garlic, sorry it was ginger, then here garlic, lemon juice and some salt as per taste. Now let's grind this. So now here our chutney is ready. Let's take it out. So here our chutney is ready. So now let's make our momos. Grease. Apply some oil on our palm. Take a small piece of dough. Make a ball of it and then do like this. Apply some maida and now let's fill our stuffing. Fill a little bit of stuffing And now give it a shape of our momos. Let's make another one. Fill our stuffing. Here I have taken an idli steamer for steaming our momos. So here are all momos are ready. Let's make it ready for steaming. Let's place it in. Steam it for 10 to 15 minutes. So 15 minutes are done and our momos are also done. Let's take it out. So here our momos are ready. Now let's serve this. Enjoy! If you like this recipe, please give it a try and enjoy!